All right, welcome to 15516 Electra Circle. This is a 2752 inventory floor plan with KB Home. So this home would be 3-bed, 2.5 bath home. This is in the Hidden Bluffs Community with KB Home. This is off of 211 and Petrenko. When you walk into this floor plan, it has a nice, kind of like a big open layout concept when you walk in. You got the extra extended closet space. And then right here, you can make this into your nice living room entertainment area. This would be your nice big kitchen area, nice big island, granite countertops. They get extended out so you can put bar stools on the bottom. Very nice cabinet upgrade, 42-inch cabinets. Again, very nice countertops. You can have your breakfast nook area right here. Again, very, very great size. All right, and then you have your half bath downstairs. And then you'll have your extra storage space. And then you have your laundry room downstairs. So this would be the laundry room. This leads to your 2-car garage. So you have your 2-car garage here. And then we'll go take a look at the backyard before we take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. And particularly the primary bedroom is upstairs, and that's going to be one of our favorites, and you'll see why. Right here, you do have an extended slab, so you do get an extended slab. Now with this backyard, it does tend to slope down a bit. However, you have essentially a green belt behind you, no neighbors behind you. And I'll show you that when we go upstairs. Let's go ahead and go upstairs now. Okay. So you have your loft area upstairs when you walk in. So you get this nice big loft area, very great in size and space. All right, walking into the primary bedroom. One of the reasons why people love this floor plan is because with this area, you get an extra sitting area, lounge area, kind of like a suite inside your primary bedroom. And as I mentioned, technically don't even have a neighbor behind you. That'll be a semi-green belt with just trees behind you. All right, let's take a look at the master bathroom. So you do have your nice walk-in shower, extra storage, linen closet space for towels, enclosed water toilet, double sinks, nice big walk-in closet. Then we'll go ahead and take a look at bedrooms 2 and 3. They are really great in size for your secondary bedrooms. This would be the secondary bathroom. Then this would essentially be bedroom number 2. And then over here, bedroom number 3. Again, this is the 2752 floor plan with KB Home. This home is located in the Hidden Bluffs Community off of 211 and Petrenko here in San Antonio, Texas.